Hi, I'm Mark Grice, and today I'll be showing you how to do the Fastset 1 on the FCP-03. So we do two versions of fire panels. This panel is the airport spec, and you'll see there it will say C43. We also do a standard panel that is marked up C51, and the only difference is the reopen circuit. So with the airport spec, the reopen will reopen the door in fire. So if the door is down with the fire signal still on, press the panic button, the door will reopen to the time set. The standard panel uses the reopen after the fire. So fire alarm's gone off, door's dropped. Once your fire alarm has been taken away, the door will automatically reopen. So to get into the settings on the control panel, if you hold the select up and down button together till the internal light flashes on, and then it will say engineers setup Fastset 1. So then you press select, you have full close delay, you get the options for minutes first. If you don't want the minutes, just press select and leave it at 0. It'll then come up with seconds. So this is the delay time from when the fire alarm gives it a signal before it drops. So for example, if I go up to 10 seconds, press select, you then have full close drop. Again, you get the options for minutes. If you don't want minutes, press select, you get the seconds. So this is the time it takes the shutter to close from the fully open position. So generally you have to time the shutter, how long it takes. So for this, if I just take it up to 30 seconds, press select, then you get the option for reopen time. Again, minutes. If you don't want minutes, press select, you get seconds. So this is the airport spec version. So you have a panic circuit, so you can reopen the door when it's still in fire from the fully closed position. If you don't want this feature, just press select at 0, then the programming is complete. I hope you found this video useful. You can find more videos of the FCP-03 on our playlist.